Hello everybody, how are you? Okay, I just ordered a screen protector for my Tesla. It's a Tesla 2000, Tesla 2015 model. So I just want you to show. I just want to show you all that how to install. If you want to order online, it will be cheap rather than going to a shop and let them do this job. You can do it by yourself. Just order on AliExpress. It will be very cheaply. It will cost me around 9 to 10 pounds only. This shipment I received today. It is for the installation of the screen protector of your Tesla Model S. As you can see, I just no, I hope you can see because I have just put phone in between the feet so that you can see how I can install. I'm opening the packing of the this screen protector. I hope that they also put on some accessories which require to clean the screen before installing this protector. I hope that they put all the necessities inside with the box, which most of the suppliers do in from China. So packaging is open. As you can see, this is the packaging, and here is the protector itself. No, it's no any wipes or screen, for anything else other than the protector. So that is not very good from them, but still we will do the job and let you see how I'm gonna do this, because we need to clean the screen before installing the protector. This is compulsory, otherwise some small the marks of the thumb and other things will show up on screen. So here's screen. I'm just bringing it out from the packaging because a lot of tape already installed on it. It's a huge protector, as you can see, so need to be very careful while just a lot of tape installed already on it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll let you see the protector. This is the protector. First of all, we need to check the exact measurement, and it's look like okay. Yeah, it's okay as per the screen requirement. Now next, what we will do is to put it aside, and I will take some wipes to clean the screen, and then we will put the protector on it, because it is compulsory to put the screen off. First of all, you need to go to the service area, and then go to the then we will need to go to the first of all we need to go to the display, and then we will see here tire pressure, psi, temperature. Here will be an option of screen clean mode. Okay, we need to, and then you can see a lot of fingerprint marks on the screen, so we need to wipe these all before installing the protector. So I'm gonna show you how to do this, and then I will install the screen protector and you will see. So let me first wipe all the fingers and thumbs marks on the screen. So I do have a couple of wipes with me in my home, so I bring them. So as I told you that before installing the protector, it is compulsory that you need to wipe off the marks. So I have these cleaning wipes. One is wet and one is dry. So first of all, we will get the wet one. So we clean them out with the wet wipes, and then after that we will use the dry wipes. So be with me, I will show you how to do this all. Putting phone here again, like that. So here you can see this is the wet. I will do this in the easiest way possible. It is basically not for the big screen, it is for the mobile phone protectors, but we will use is as a backup option because the company who sent me the screen haven't sent me the these wipes with the protector. It is a glass protector. They said it's a Gorilla Glass, so I hope that it will be very useful for me for the installation of for the rest of the journey of the car with me. So as you can see, I have put all the necessity here. Wipe it with the wet wipe. As you can see, a lot of dust already on the wipes. So now we will use the dry one. Just open it up. So dry one will, what we will do, it will it will clean the wetness of previous previous wipes. So after that we in final process of installing the protector. As you can see, already fingerprints are going off. I am doing here one by one from down, so that no place should be left after this, because this is the last process before installing the protector. So we need to wipe absolutely completely, so no finger marks should be remain there. As you can see, I'm trying hard that no finger marks should be here, because it is very important. Otherwise it will disturb our screen protector to be shown, or there will be some kind of bubble if we will not take care of this step. As you can see, I can see a couple of marks here. So after that I will change the wipe on the other side, because it will be becoming a little bit dirty from this side. Now I will use my 3 fingers, as it is small cloth as it should need for this big screen, because it is only for mobile screen protectors. Mobile screen are only maximum size of 6.5 inch, 6.7 inch, but this is a very huge screen, so it is taking some time, but be patient, because it is one of the important steps of it before installing any screen protector. And it's expensive screen protector, so you need to be taking a lot of care before installing it, because otherwise it will not stuck on your screen. I think I have done a lot of already. Now as you can see, there are some kind of dots here and there. For them I can use a tape like this from removing the small particle of the dust. The dust will stuck with the tape. So now I can see screen is very clean, so I can put protector now on the screen. There are a couple of very teeny scratches I can see, but overall screen is very clean. So I can see, yeah, it's better now. So what we will do now, we will pick the screen protector and install it one by one. So there is some instruction on the protector, you need to follow the instruction carefully. So this sticker helps to remove the mask from the screen guard. So this is basically a mask which can be removed from the screen guard. Okay, so first you need to remove the mark. Please peel off the mask with this sticker. So we need to remove the mask from here, and After that, just align from upper side of the screen. You need to be very take care of this because upper side is more important than the lower side, because lower side automatically will adjust with it. Then put it like that. It will take time to align with the whole screen. As you can see, slowly it is building up, going to the corner of the screen. As you can see, it's going to the corner. You can do it like that. If it will take time, it will yeah, as you can see, it is almost here from it is almost done from here, almost done from here, and almost done from here. Now as you can see, whole screen protector is installed. Our screen is now protected from any kind of fingerprint or breaking or anything, because this is very important part of Tesla car screen. So it is now installed, and then you can hold from here and wait for 3 seconds, and then it will come to the normal. As you can see, screen protector installed. Our screen is secure, very beautifully installed, no bubble, no anything. So thank you very much for your time. This is the easiest way to install any screen protector, especially screen protector of this big size. So I hope that you like our video. See you next video. Thank you very much.